Everyone, now take your hair and tie it in the form of a lower ponytail and then insert that ponytail through the gap of the lower part. Take the lower part, roll it in the form of a semicircle and then secure it tightly with the help of a back pin or a juda pin from behind. Take your hair, first tie it in the form of a ponytail. When you are done doing the ponytail part, insert it in with the help of a back pin. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, loosen it, tie it in the form of a circle, and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail first. Now roll that ponytail in the form of a circle and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin to the upper part of your hair, just like this, and you can also decorate it as you wish. Take your hair, first tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower part, tie it again in the form of a ponytail, then roll it downwards and upwards and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin. Thank you for watching.